Welcome back to my channel. Today let us learn to stitch a tassel flower in embroidery. These are fluffy 3D flowers which will be so pretty. The level of the stitch is intermediate. You can master this stitch by practice. We shall put these flowers with tassel stitch. At first take a small notebook or your mobile phone and roll the thread in it more than 50 times 50 rounds. I am using machine embroidering thread. You can use even hand embroidery thread with all the 6 strands and roll. After finishing, carefully remove the thread and put a knot in the center with the same thread and keep it ready. And now I am using green thread with all the 6 strands and stitch the center portion with green thread 3 times 3 stitches. You can stitch in the center to hold the flower. 1, 2, 3 stitches. Now bring all the thread together and hold with your left hand. Stitch with your right hand. Now I am stitching the sepals of the flowers with satin stitch. From here continuously put satin stitch. I have shared all other embroidering stitches video links in the description. If you have missed my previous videos, go to the links in the description. And now I have finished the satin stitch for the sepals. And after finishing the satin stitch, we shall cut the thread with the scissors. And we shall use a comb and comb the thread nicely and again trim the thread to make the flower perfect. And I hope you are clear about the stitch now. If you like this video, click the like button and share with your friends. If you have not subscribed for my channel so far, please subscribe. Also click the bell icon for further notifications for my future videos. And this is the back view of the stitch. We cannot see the flower thread below. Thank you for watching.